Hello folks, welcome to this video. Today's video we are going to learn how to create a simple website from basic scratch. We are going to learn how to create a simple website as a new beginner, design a website for yourself or for your client. So we are going to use a simple software called Web PageMaker. Now go to a browser and type www.webpage/maker.com www.webpage/maker.com. So on the website, click on the download via site 1 or via site 2. Now we wait for our download to be downloaded here. So immediately it finishes download, then you click on it, then you run the application to install it onto your computer. You accept all agreements on the screen, then you follow the instructions as per the installations that shows on your screen. Now we move to install the application software onto our computer. It says launch the web page maker, so we click launch it. Now we wait for it to open on our computer. Now the application is launched. So now what we have to do first is to just save our website that we are coming to create. So we can give it company site. You can give any name to the website. Then you create a folder in your document or in your desktop where you can save the files. I have a folder already created on my desktop, so I look for it as a web site folder so I can save my file inside. I click on save. Now what we have to do now is to start creating your menus. You have easy drag and drop menu bars here, so you can click on it. You have different styles of menu. You can select any menu you want and you click OK. Now the menu, you have the layout. You can decide to click and arrange it horizontally. Then you have the options where you can enter the text of the various menus. So when you click on it like this, you can change the text. You can click on this like this and change the text here. You can click on this like this and change the text here. So now with these links on your navigation, you can link the various links to a page in your site or a page outside your site. I will come to that later. So we can just set this and click OK. Now you have your navigation bar here. Then you can decide to create your any design that you want. You can add a text button. You drag the text button and you can click inside to type your, so you can give something like our company is ABC. You can text and write OK. You see that it reflects immediately in your change here. I have some file here. I can just copy this, right click on any text that I have, then I click inside. I can paste it. Right click inside and paste it. Here there are various formatting tools here you can use to format your you can give it a color, you can format, you can make it bigger. So there are various formatting text there where you can decide to leave it. We are starting from scratch, so this is a simple beginning. Then you can decide to add any images. You can add, you see the insert button here. You have flash images. You can add flash slideshows here. Let's choose some 3 images that I have saved on my folder. I have my folder website. I look for the folder website. I have 3 images here, so I can click on it and click on the control on your TTR on your keyboard and select all these 3 images. Then I can click OK and resize my images wherever I want it to be. Can decide to bring the text below, send my image up here. This is just a drag and drop simple way of creating a website. So I can bring my image here, then I can add some simple design. Let's say I have one image and set image from file. I just pick some design images that I have here. I have this simple design image here. I can bring it a little up here. It's just a drag and drop application. You can just put your mouse on it and drag it to wherever position you want it to be. Then I can set another image. You can use the insert button, or you just click on this image button here. You can drag your image down onto the screen. You can resize the images as you want. You can resize and drag and drop your images. It's as easy as ABC. So we are just creating a simple website. Now we don't have any page here, so we cannot link our navigation yet, but we can start to create a page here. We can clone this page, right click on the page, clone it. So it creates a copy of this page here. We can name this page, right click and rename it service. We can clone this page too. We right click on it and rename it product. We are creating the pages so that we can link our various navigation links to them. You can clone this product. You can create thousands of pages. We rename it to contact. You can give it a short form of contact. Now we want to link our various navigation to this pages. So you see that we clone the pages. So when you click on it, you have the same thing. There's the index page on my service. Let's say I don't want this picture to appear, so I can delete it and drag my text up here. And let's say I want to give a little information on my service, so I can copy any information I have on my computer, double click on my text, then I paste my image words inside. So this is my services page. Then on my products page, I can decide to delete this product. I can decide to add a simple product. Let's say I choose an image on my computer. I can decide to choose an image and represent it as any product image you have that you want to represent. So when you just drag and drop the image, you can resize the image to whatever form or size you want. I can add, let's say, a third image. You can add unlimited number of pages to your design. So let's say I decide to just create this simple product page. You drag and drop. It's just an easy drag and drop application system for creating an basic website. So I drag and drop like this. So on my contacts, I can claim all this. You click on it and it deletes. So let's say I click on this text button here. I can delete all this information and write, please contact us on You can give your telephone number, email at yahoo.com. So you can create a lot of information. You can format it, make it bigger. You can even give it a color, whatever color you want. Then click OK. I've given it, I can double click again and change the to none. I change the default color. I can give it a color, any color I want, blue or so. That is it. You are done with your contact. So now let's go back to our main index page, and let's say we want to link all this navigation button to our we want to link it to our various created pages. So you right click on it and edit navigation bar. So on the home, we link it to a page in my site. You right click on the URL. Home links to index, service links to services, product links to product, and contact links to contact. We are done. We click OK. Now it's saved. Now these are copied version, so we can decide to delete all this here. They are clone navigation, so that we will not be doing it one. So the first one we did here in the index, we can right click on it and include on all pages. So include on all pages, it creates the navigation on all the pages so that you will not be doing it one. So we are done. Now we can do something about our page settings. So right click on any empty screen on your page, you go to properties, and you can set the background of your page. If you want the background for it, you can choose a background color, a fixed background, a background image, whatever you want for your background, you can choose it. But we don't want any background, we'll leave it as white. We can add music to your background. We can give the website title, so we can give welcome to ABC company. You can give the author the keywords of your descriptions of your website, and you can apply to all pages, so it applies to all these pages immediately. Your appearance are here. We can center the website. You can give a default color of your website appearance, and we apply the background of your website now is white. We can change it to any background that we want. Let's say we want to make it this background. So after finishing, you apply to all pages if you want this background. If you don't want it, let's say I choose this background, I don't like it, I choose blue, gray background, I don't like it. Let's keep the background white like that. Apply to all pages. No, default text, sorry, as default text is black and background is white as default. We leave it like that. Now we have centered our pages. We've done everything. So as you are building your site, you can preview it. You see the pen here is a preview button. You can preview to see how it will be showing. We will use the Firefox in your browser, so we can preview the site to see how your website will be looking at when you publish. So this is a simple website that we have created here like this. So this is an easy way of building a website. Thank you very much. In our next episode, we'll learn how we can create various integration of our website. We can come down here, we'll create various. Now you see, because we have not published our website, the animation we used did not appear. So let's delete this animation and let's make it just an image. We can just make it an image on our website like this. so that the image can render easily without publishing it, because some browsers need a fire shockwave flash to be able to render and show the animation. We can save it. Remember, as you work, it will be saving your work, so we can preview to see our website. So now you see that when you click on services, it takes you to the service page. Click on products, it takes you to the product page. When you click on contacts, it takes you to the contact page. Let's get back to our home page. In various studies, various tutorials, we'll learn various ways how you can publish your website. You can create stylish graphics to your website. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. So please go to webpagemaker.com, download it and practice it, and you become a website designer and create website for people and even make money. Thank you very much for watching this.